We're recording now.
Holiday snacks. My name is Yaz. I'm here with Mike. We are going to show you not one, not two, but three very simple holiday snacks. The more important factor, they are so quick to make because who has the time?
All right, so what's the first snack we're gonna do?
Christmas trees and kiddos. They are going to look like Christmas trees. We need like 2 avocados. I will just squeeze my lemon.
And the lemon also helps keep it its vibrant green color, right?
Yes, exactly. A little bit of salt, some maybe garlic powder. I will add some oregano because this is my favorite. Blend the avocados really well. And don't forget to taste to see how you're going to like it. Here is the fun part. I cut some triangles on a pita and I toasted them so they would be crispy, and all you need to do is just to spread the avocado or your guac. And we already pre-chopped some veggies in different shapes and different forms, so we would have like a variation for the purpose of decorating our trees. I prefer to use some red on the green, so I will go with the small dices of like pepper. So also you can add a little bit of yellow pepper as like the star on top of the tree.
Can I help you? Can I do
Yeah,
one?
do you want to decorate the other tree?
Yeah.
It's up to you how you want to like, decorate your tree. So we nailed the first snacks, if you exclude the one that Mike has done.
Are you ugly shaming my tree?
For the second snack, which is my favorite and the easiest, it's a fruit snack that you can do with chocolate fondue.
So
I
good.
call it like naughty elves.
Okay, so we have bananas, strawberries, grapes.
Yes. So I will take a bamboo skewer and stab my grapes as the first fruit, a slice of banana, and one strawberry. Oh, so you see, when you look at it, it's just like a little elf thingy.
Oh, I got it. So it's a little hat.
Yeah. So I will present it on a glass, put it on my table, and probably I will put like a little hot chocolate, melted chocolate, a little bowl of melted chocolate next to it.
It's interesting. Colors.
You know what would have been perfect if you had like small marshmallows and you stick to the top as the pom-pom. I guess this is cute and simple and fun enough for your kids. They can also participate in making naughty elves. So for the third snack, we are trying to make like Christmas balls. Christmas tree balls.
Christmas balls?
No, what do we call those decoration thingy that they are in form of a ball?
Testicles? Wait, what?
Ornaments. Okay, that's the word. So the third one. Okay.
You sure it's not testicles?
And our goal is to use some crackers, use whipped cream or spread cheese on the cracker and decorate them as if they are going to be the ornaments for the Christmas tree. You can see that we have different veggies cut in different shapes, like the cucumbers cut it very thin and slicely, cucumbers in the form of like half circle, the slices of tomatoes and also peppers to decorate. So it's also easy. I think this is also a fun activity for kids. You can be creative and do your decoration, your own decoration. We had a lot of fun, seriously. I think this is a fun activity for the family and the kids, and it's relaxing.
This was awesome. So thank you for like showing me this and being creative about some holiday snacks.
Thank you.
I choose not to. Bon
Cheers.
appetit.
Bon appetit.
Happy holidays. Monkey Pie Labs.